Welcome back to Banking for Legacy podcast, where we talk about controlling your own money, building generational wealth, and creating financial freedom for your business and your family. I'm your host, Nelson Pizarro, and as always, I encourage you to read Becoming Your Own Banker by Nelson Nash. It's the foundation of everything we talk about here. Today, we're tackling one question I hear all the time. Nelson, I'm not in a financial position to open up a whole life policy. What are my options? Maybe this sounds familiar. You're juggling credit cards, mortgages, car payments, student loans, and even car insurance, and saving for retirement. But here's the kicker. That one thing that actually protects all of that, you don't even have insurance on. And yes, I get it. There's always an excuse. I'll get to it later. Life is expensive right now. But when it's too late, your family can't do anything about it. Think about this. Your mortgage, car, and credit card debts don't just disappear when you pass. Your student loans might not forgive themselves. Your family could be forced to pay out pocket, or worse, lose a home or assets you have worked so hard to build. Now imagine you could plant a seed today that grows into a full protection tomorrow. That's where the infinite banking concept comes in. Well, here's the good news. If you don't have money for a whole life policy right now, there's still a way to start building your banking system. The key? A convertible term policy. Now you might think, wait, Nelson, why would I buy term if you're trying to build your own banking system? That's a great question. And here's the deal. A convertible term policy gives you the following. 1. Affordable coverage now. You can start protecting your family without breaking the bank. 2. Guaranteed conversion. When your finances improve, you can convert your term policy into a whole life policy without new health exams. 3. Locked in death benefit. Your coverage is secured as if you bought it years ago, even if you converted it later. 4. A foundation for your IBC system. You're planting that seed that will grow into your personal banking system. And 5, peace of mind. You're covered while still paying off debt, saving for your family, and working towards financial freedom. Let's break it down with an example. Let's say that you're 30. You're paying off a mortgage, student loans, cars, but you can't afford $2, $3, $4, $1,000 a month whole life policies. So step 1, what we'll do is we'll start with a smaller premium for the term, a convertible term, which it can be $25 a month or even $50 a month, just so that we get you insured. 2, you're protected now. Your family has coverage if anything happens to you. 3, fast forward 5 years from now, your income should grow, your debt should be lower, and now you convert your term policy death benefit into a whole life policy, which could go to $250 a month. And now you're building something out of nothing. And number 4, you're now officially planting seeds for your IBC system. Your policy cash value begins to grow, ready for loan, investments, and wealth building. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with a small little seed today. You nurture it, feed it, and eventually it grows into something strong, life-sustaining, and generational. When you work with me, here's what you'll get. A clear plan for starting your IBC system, even if you can't afford whole life today. Guidance on selecting the right convertible term policy to maximize your future wealth potential. Step-by-step education on how to grow your policy cash value into a personal banking system. Peace of mind knowing your family is protected from the start. And real examples and strategies tailored to your financial situation. So, don't let excuses or lack of funds hold you back. Start today, protect your family, and plant a seed for your financial future. And if you want to reach out to me, you're more than welcome to. My cell phone is 619-997-5141. You like my content, like it, subscribe, share it with your friends and family, or even business coworkers. And lastly, remember, Your money, your bank, and your legacy. That's what we build here at Banking for Legacy.